In this video, we will see how to show product title and product image on a bundle in the Wizio Bundle app. To get started, open the app from your Shopify admin panel, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can use the link given in the description to install the app. Once installed, open the app and then click here on Quantity Bundles. Navigate to Create Bundle. From here you can select template of your choice, and you can also customize the color theme from here as your brand. Select the target, then add the bundle information. Select the vertical layout as it supports showing product image and titles. Then after scrolling down a little, within the extra options you need to ensure that the product title and product image options are enabled to show them on your bundle. Then you can customize the other thing if you want. You can check its preview in the right side and then click on Save button to save the bundle. Your bundle will now be live and ready to sell. Click on View icon from here to check the bundle. Go to the product and here it's visible. Make sure it's visually appealing and easy for your customers to understand. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.